What's up, guys? What's going on? Today we're going to learn about Hype, and that is Hyperliquid. It's a crypto token, and we're going to learn about it. I don't know anything about it, honestly, but it's up there in the top rankings of the highest of market caps crypto. So let's check this out. Exploring Hyperliquid and its native token, Hype. In the fast-paced world of cryptocurrency, new projects emerge that promise to revolutionize trading and finance. One such standout is Hyperliquid, a decentralized exchange DEX built specifically for perpetual futures trading. At its core is the Hype token, which serves as the platform's native cryptocurrency. Hyperliquid operates on its own Layer 1 blockchain designed for high speeds and low cost, making it appealing to traders who want quick, efficient transactions without relying on centralized systems. This essay will break down what Hype is used for, its utility when it launched, its price history, the future price predictions, and all in simple terms to help anyone understand this exciting crypto project. Hyperliquid started as a blockchain platform aimed at transforming decentralized finance, DeFi. The project focuses on creating a hyper-performant environment where users can build, trade, and exchange assets seamlessly. The Hype token was officially launched on November 29th, 2024, during a Genesis event that included a massive airdrop to early users and community members. The airdrop distributed around 310 million Hype tokens, making one of the largest in DeFi history and generating huge buzz. The platform itself had been in deployment earlier, but the token debut in late 2024 kicked off its public trading era. By early 2025, Hyperliquid had unveiled additional features like staking for Hype, solidifying its place in the crypto ecosystem. What makes Hype stand out is its real-world utility within the Hyperliquid network. Unlike some tokens that are purely speculative, Hype has practical roles that drive its value. First, it's a governance token, meaning holders can vote on key decisions like protocol upgrades and new features. This gives users a say in the platform's future, fostering a community-driven approach. Second, Hype offers trading fee discounts for users who hold or stake it. They pay less when executing trades on the DEX. This is huge for active traders dealing in perpetual futures, which are contracts allowing bets on asset prices without expiration dates. Additionally, staking Hype lets users earn rewards while securing the network. Similar to how proof of stake blockchains work. The platform also uses a portion of the trading fees to buy back Hype tokens from the market, which can reduce supply and potentially increase its value over time. Overall, Hype powers an ecosystem optimized for DeFi, with tools for low-fee, high-speed trading that rivals centralized exchanges like Binance. It's used for everything from governance to incentives, making it integral to Hyperliquid's goal of housing all finance on-chain. Since its launch, Hype's price action has been nothing short of dramatic, reflecting the volatility typical in crypto markets. Right after the November 2024 airdrop, the token surged about 60% in value, jumping from initial levels around $3 to $5 to high teens quickly. By early 2025, It stabilized but then began a steady climb as the platform's trading volume exploded. For instance, in August 2025 alone, Hyperliquid recorded a staggering $357 billion in derivatives trading volume, a record that boosted investor confidence. This led to Hype hitting all-time highs above $50.99 just recently, with a 8 to 12% gain in a single 24-hour period. From its all-time low of $3.81, that's over a 1,100% increase year-to-date in 2025. Hype has risen about 430%, driven by factors like token buybacks from fees and growing adoption of the DEX. However, it's not all ups. There have been dips, like recent 2.2 to 5% drop in 24 hours amid broader market conditions or corrections, bringing it to around $48 to $50 as of late August 2025. The price has shown resilience, often rebounding on news like new listings or partnerships, with weekly gains of 15% and monthly of 9% in recent periods. High trading volumes, sometimes exceed $400 million daily, indicate strong liquidity and interest. Looking ahead, price predictions for Hype vary widely, as is common in speculative crypto space. Short-term forecasts suggest consolidation around $35 to $40, with potential breakouts to $55 if buybacks and volume continue strong. For 2026, analysts predict a range of 36.53 to 121.25. That's crazy. That's a big range. With an average around $66.81, assuming sustained growth in DeFi adoption. Longer term, by 2030, optimistic views see Hype averaging $125 with highs up to $185 or even $189.86 in bullish scenarios. Some experts, like Arthur Hayes, have made bold calls for a 126x upside, potentially pushing it to thousands if Hyperliquid dominates perpetual trading. However, more conservative estimates warn of declines to $34 to $48 if market conditions worsen, emphasizing that predictions aren't guarantees and depend on factors like regulation, competition, and overall crypto sentiment. Tools like technical analysis show Hype is in the demand zone with upside potential if it breaks key resistant levels. In summary, Hyperliquid and its Hype token represent a fresh take on DeFi, blending speed, utility, and community governance. Launched in late 2024, it has seen explosive price growth and amid record platform activity, though volatility remains a risk with utilities like staking and fee reductions, plus promising predictions. Hype could be a key player in crypto's future. As always, investors should do their own research thoroughly and consider the inherent risks in this dynamic market. Yes, always do your research. Not a financial advisor, neither is Grok. And yeah, that was Hyperliquid. Let me know what you guys think about it. Are you excited about Hype? Are you hyped for Hype? Do you have Hype? Are you thinking about getting it? Let me know in the comments section, and if you have anything to add about it. Also, check out my affiliate link down in the description, the simple.bio link. You can see the banner rotating at the top there. You can get a Ledger hardware wallet to secure your crypto, get it off of exchanges. That's what I would advise doing if you have a sizable amount of money. So the link is there. If you click the symbol.bio link, it'll take you to all my affiliate links where you can get a Ledger hardware wallet, get free crypto on deposit on the exchanges, leverage trade crypto with BTCC and BitTrue. Just be careful if you do. And get a loan on your crypto. Don't sell your crypto. You can loan against it. You can send your crypto over to CoinRabbit. They hold it as collateral. They'll send you a loan on your crypto, and you can either use it for paying bills or everyday expenses or to buy something, or you can just buy more crypto with the loan and increase your stacks. Up to you. Maybe later on the price goes up like a lot, and then you buy it back for, you know, just the price of whatever the loan was, and then you make money, right? So not a bad plan in my opinion. Financial advice. Anyway, I appreciate y'all. Be sure to, like I said, comment below. Let me know what you think about hype. And smash the like, subscribe, and share with your friends. And I will see you on the next one. Have a good day, and peace out till next time.